Bicycles have been around for over a century, but just when you think you've seen it all, innovators push the boundaries in ways that make riding safer, smarter, and way more fun. From high-tech gadgets that track every pedal stroke to clever designs that solve problems you didn't even know you had, these 15 bicycle inventions are nothing short of genius. Whether you're a casual rider, a daily commuter, or a die-hard cycling enthusiast, these creations take the humble bike to a whole new level. And trust me, once you see them, you'll wonder how we ever got by without them. Trek CarBack Radar. The Trek CarBack Radar is a clever safety upgrade for road cyclists, combining a bright rear light with a radar that detects vehicles approaching from behind up to about 240 meters away. Its daytime visible beam can reach nearly 2 kilometers, and it pairs with popular GPS units or Trek's smartphone app to give visual and audio alerts. The rechargeable USB-C battery lasts over 7 hours, and the compact design mounts easily on most bikes. At around $199, it's a premium edition for riders prioritizing visibility and awareness on shared roads. Crankbrothers TT17. The Crankbrothers TT17 Twin Tube Toolkit is a genuinely clever on-bike repair solution that keeps essential tools within easy reach when things go sideways on the trail. Housed in a compact anodized aluminium tube, it combines a multi-tool with hex and Torx bits, a chain tool, full-size tire lever, tire plug tool, spoke wrenches, valve core tool, and even a CO2 inflator with storage. Essentially a mini workshop strapped to your frame. Weighing about 247 grams, it fits most bikes and handles 8 to 12 speed chains. At roughly $119 to $130, it's a premium but practical investment for any serious cyclist who wants to stay rolling without bulky packs. Ataraxy vabsRider. The Ataraxy vabsRider is a truly inventive bicycle saddle that reimagines comfort by breaking tradition. Instead of a static seat, its split seat design lets two independently moving halves pivot with your pedaling motion, following your body's natural movement to dramatically reduce pressure on sensitive areas and make longer rides genuinely more pleasant. Built to fit most bikes and weighing about 2.3 kilograms, it's engineered for commuting, recreation and e-bikes alike. While not yet widely available, early Kickstarter pricing has ranged around $630 to $950, excluding shipping. For riders who've struggled with saddle discomfort, the vabsRider could be a game-changing upgrade in both feel and performance. WheelKeep Bicycle Security System. The WheelKeep Bicycle Security System is an innovative anti-theft solution that goes beyond traditional locks by invisibly integrating a smart tracker into your bike's headset. Once installed, its motion sensors detect any disturbance and send instant push notifications to your phone, while GPS tracking lets you locate your bike with up to about 3 meters precision if it's moved or stolen. The lightweight device runs for weeks on a single charge and pairs with a mobile app for alerts and monitoring. Currently available via pre-order around €150, with a basic subscription required for connectivity, optional premium plans add recovery and insurance services. For riders tired of bulky locks and worried about theft, WheelKeep offers peace of mind with minimal impact on the bike's appearance. Unit 1 Smart Light. The Unit 1. Smart Light is a thoughtful upgrade for urban cyclists who want smarter visibility on every ride. This magnetic USB-C rechargeable light switches easily between front and rear use, offering about 100 lumens white and 50 lumens red output with solid and beacon modes that can last many hours, depending on settings. It pairs with the optional Unit 1 remote to enable turn signals and automatic brake lighting, and can be customized via the Unit 1 app for modes and effects. Priced at $90 for a single light, or $175 for a dual set with charging case, it's a versatile choice for commuters and city riders seeking better safety cues without bulky gear. Swytch MAX Plus. The Swytch MAX Plus is a smart, user-friendly way to turn almost any bicycle into an e-bike without buying a new one. Its kit includes a 250-watt hub motor wheel and a removable handlebar-mounted battery pack that delivers around 30 to 40 miles of assisted range per charge and supports pedal assist up to about 20 miles per hour, 15.5 miles per hour in some regions. The pack also has an integrated front light and a USB-C output for charging devices, and installation is simple with a quick connect system. Pricing varies with configuration, but early pre-order offers have put the Max Plus around £399 to £760, making it a compelling mid-range conversion solution. For riders who want electric assistance without the cost of a dedicated e-bike, the Max Plus blends convenience, decent range, and thoughtful features into one conversion kit. Cintizon Bike Handlebar Mitts. The Cintizon Bike Handlebar Mitts are a simple yet effective cold weather accessory that makes winter cycling far more comfortable. Designed with a polar fleece lining and neoprene-style wind resistance, they slip over your handlebars and keep your hands warm and protected from cold winds, while still letting you reach brakes and shifters easily. Installation is tool-free, and the reflective accents help with visibility on darker commutes. At around $35 excluding shipping, they offer good value for riders who want warmth without bulky gloves. For regular cold weather commuters, these mitts are a practical, affordable way to extend your cycling season. Redcomets TZ-X. The Redcomets TZ-X is a practical yet underrated bike accessory that gives you more handlebar real estate and on-the-go power without much fuss. It's essentially a 7.8-inch rechargeable handlebar extender made of lightweight aluminum alloy, letting you mount lights, speedometers, GPS units, or a phone securely, while offering a built-in 4,000 mAh USB power bank, so you can charge devices during long rides. Installation is straightforward on most handlebars, 22mm to 31.8mm, though some users find alignment and cable length slightly awkward. Widely available at roughly £23 to £30, it's an affordable upgrade for riders wanting organization and battery backup on every journey. RAVEMEN NT101. The RAVEMEN NT101 is a smart and affordable rear bike light that brings more than just visibility to your daily rides. It combines a 160 lumen LED taillight with car-style turn signals, brake detection, and even a vibration-activated anti-theft alarm, all controllable with a handy wireless remote. The built-in 2,200 mAh USB-C rechargeable battery supports multiple modes and automatic on-off based on light conditions, and the kit includes mounts for seat post or rack installation. Priced around $45, it's a compelling safety upgrade for commuters and urban riders seeking smarter signaling and peace of mind without breaking the bank. SY Bicycle Speedometer. The SY Bicycle Speedometer is a basic yet practical bike computer that brings essential ride data front and center without unnecessary complexity. This wireless, waterproof unit displays your current speed, trip distance, ride time, and total odometer on a clear LCD, waking automatically when motion is detected and offering backlight for low light visibility. Its lightweight, easy-to-install design fits most bikes and lets you customize tire size for better accuracy. Widely available online for roughly $12 to $40 depending on seller and region, it's a solid, budget-friendly choice for casual riders who want reliable metrics without premium bells and whistles. Cycliq Fly6 Pro. The Cycliq Fly6 Pro is a clever fusion of safety light and rear-facing bicycle camera that elevates everyday riding by capturing crisp 4K video while keeping you visible to traffic behind. Its 100 lumen tail light, ultra-wide, 145-degree lens, and up to 7 hours of continuous recording and lighting make it ideal for commuters and touring cyclists who want extra peace of mind. The IP67 rated unit weighs around 151 grams, includes a pre-installed 64GB microSD card, and offers easy Wi-Fi transfer to your phone or app. Priced at about $379 with bundle options higher, it's a premium investment in both visibility and documentation of your rides that many riders find worthwhile. Trek BellBeats. The Trek BellBeats is a fun and functional twist on the classic bike bell. blending an alert horn with a Bluetooth speaker to make your rides both safer and more enjoyable. It mounts easily to handlebars, 25 to 31.8 millimeters, and offers 8 preloaded tones from friendly chimes to urgent alerts, all designed to be easily located by others on the road or trail. Bluetooth connectivity streams music, podcasts, or GPS directions with up to 6 hours of playtime from its USB-C rechargeable battery. Prices typically range around $99 to $125 depending on retailer, making it a mid-range accessory that adds personality and awareness to everyday cycling. Lumos Nyxel. The Lumos Nyxel is a standout smart bike helmet that blends safety, comfort, and visibility into a single urban-ready package. It features integrated LED lights with 28 front and 28 rear LEDs that provide 360-degree visibility and multiple lighting modes, plus turn signals via a handlebar-mounted remote control for clearer communication with traffic. The helmet is lightweight, about 383 to 410 grams depending on size, has a replaceable battery that lasts up to 14 hours, and uses a dial fit system with antimicrobial liner for all-day comfort. Pricing starts around $139.95 for the standard version, with MIPS and crash detection, Quinn models, up to about $220. For commuters and city riders who value visibility and smart safety features, the Nyxel is a thoughtful, well-rounded upgrade. OUTZAC Jet Bike Pump. The OUTZAC Jet Bike Pump is a clever, all-in-one bike accessory that turns tire inflation into a fast, precise, and practical experience. It's a compact electric pump capable of delivering up to 130 PS, via a high-efficiency brushless motor and patented airflow system, with a digital pressure display and auto stop so you hit your target without guesswork. It supports both Presta and Schrader valves, and even includes a built-in safety taillight with multiple modes for visibility on the road. USB-C charging powers multiple inflations per charge, and the IPX4 water-resistant build stands up to everyday riding conditions. Priced around $70 on pre-order, it's a thoughtful upgrade for riders who want reliable performance, pressure accuracy, and extra safety all in one compact tool. Xleader Pro Bike Speaker. The Xleader Pro Bike Speaker is a surprisingly capable handlebar-mounted Bluetooth audio system that adds real fun and functionality to your rides. It delivers 10 watts of bass-up-enhanced sound with strong bass and clear vocals, all through a secure bracket that stays put even on rough pavement. Its Bluetooth 5.3/5.4 connectivity pairs quickly with phones, and the IPX7 waterproof silicone housing handles rain and splashes without worry. You'll also find hands-free calling and voice navigation support, and the long 15 to 24-hour battery life easily covers multi-day rides. Prices vary by region and seller, but sit roughly around £50 to £80, making it a solid mid-range audio upgrade for cyclists who want music and practicality without fuss.